In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team members section in Wix. If you've ever wondered how to effectively showcase your amazing team on your website without starting from the ground up, then this is the video for you. We'll be diving into using a team profile app or widget, which is one of the quickest and most stylish ways to highlight your team members. Let's talk about why you might want to use this approach. Apps like these offer the advantage of speed and ease. They come with built-in features and beautiful styling options, making your task a breeze. One excellent example is the Team Profile by POWR. This particular app lets you upload details of your team members, display their photos and bios, and customize styles and layouts with ease. It even includes social icons to make your team more accessible and relatable. When you go to Wix.com, you can select a widget like this, which allows you to simply drag and drop it onto your page. It really takes the hard work out of designing, especially if coding or starting from scratch feels a bit daunting. These widgets often come with preset card styles that you can use right away. This means you can maintain a professional look and cohesive design across your site without having to invest a lot of time. Once you've added the widget to your site, you can start populating it with your team's information. Begin by uploading clear and professional photos of each team member. Remember, these images are the first thing people will notice, so make sure they're of high quality. Next, add in concise but engaging bios. A good bio should highlight the member's role, experience, and maybe even a fun fact to give some personality. Don't forget the power of customization. Most apps will allow you to tweak the layout to better fit your site's overall aesthetic. You might prefer a grid layout or perhaps a more traditional list. Choose whatever complements your site's style. This flexibility can really give your site a polished, cohesive look. Adding social media icons can also enhance the personal touch. By linking directly to team members' professional networks, you make it easy for site visitors to connect and engage with your team, which can be a great way to build trust and encourage ongoing interaction. Using these tools not only saves time, but ensures that your site looks professional and functions seamlessly. Whether you're working with a large team or just a few key players, these apps can scale to your needs and help you present your team in the best possible light. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create an impressive team member section on Wix. Give it a try and see how it elevates your website to new heights.